Hello there, all my friend. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Here, that's the skid steer loader tracked one from LESU. We get it painted and assembled for our customer. So here, let's see how to operate this one with mix control. So one switch for driving forward, backward, one switch for steering. So radio is on. Connect the battery. Here, that's the receiver. 800 mAh battery. Connect it. So positive, negative must be correct. Plug in. Lock the door. Let's start it. So first the light. Light is on. Spinning it. See rear side light. Rear side light on. That's steering. Spinning. So start the sound. Drive forward. So one stick drive forward, backward. One switch for spinning. So here you will see the situation. If you go forward, spinning, turn left a little, the turning signal light, it is correct. But if you set up mix control like this, 4 mix control, only can set up 4 mix control all used. So backward light for steering will not be correct. It's reversed because not have enough mix control. Only go forward, steering, the turning signal light, it is correct. Okay, let's see. For the pump, start, SWC. Now, middle level, high level. Middle normally is enough. Put down, bigger arm, rise, slowly put down, rise, and open bucket, close, tilting bucket, so let's say put it down and tilting it down and do the loading slowly. Go forward, loading, rise up, and unload, open bucket, unload, tilting, shake it. Try slowly, so set up the endpoints for the channel, can turn it more slowly. So later you will see I already decreased the endpoint so can control it more slowly. Also for pull down the arm, can operate slowly. So stop the pump. Let's see. So first we go to the setting, go to function, go to auxiliary channels. We will see. So channel 1, that's for open bucket. Channel 2 for big arm. Channel 3, that's for tilting bucket. Channel 4 for the sound system. Channel 5, SWA, that's for the light. Channel 6, nothing, that's for the sound signal wire. Channel 7, SWC, that's the pump. Channel 8, steering light, steering turning light signal wire. Channel 9, VRA, that's left track, mix control, so 2 tracks start together. Channel 10, VRB, that's right side track, so mix control for rotation directly. Let's see the mix control. Go to mix, we will see mix number 1. Channel 9, left track, channel 10, slave, right track. So one left track going forward, backward, right side track also going forward, backward. So it's driving together by one switch. Mix number 2. It is on, so master right side track, slave left side track. So it's negative. So when you're turning, you drive right side forward, left side will go backward. So it's rotation spinning. Channel 3, mix number 3. That's left track, channel 9, slave channel 6, the engine sound. So when you drive it, you will hear the engine sound throttle working with the track. So 100%. That's mix control to start the engine sound. Mix 4, that is master right side track, slave the turning signal. Turning right. So when you go forward, turning left, right. Turning right, right side brake. The thing is only 4 mix control, no more. So only can set up the steering turning light to be one side correct. If backward, it is not correct. Only go forward or rotation, directly it is the right turning signal. So for others, if you see the rotation or the direction of the moving not at your favor, so you go here for, let's say, bucket arm, you can reverse it from here. And for the end points, so channel 3, that's tilting the bucket, already slowed it down. Channel 2, 40% for dropping the bigger arm, also slowed down. So others, for channel 7, this one it is the pump. So in the middle it's around 50%. So when pushing to higher level, it is around maybe, let's see, here the number is not totally directly showing how much. Here you can see directly 50%. This is maybe like 70%. So that's all the settings.